Hello students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today we will start our new topic, that is cube. Okay, so first of all we will do basic about the cube. After that we will do some problems related to cube. So here suppose it's given to you, there is a big cube. First I'll draw one big cube here. A cube is a 3D object that having all sides equal, means length. This is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. Suppose it's given a big cube with a side 6 centimeter. Okay, we have to cut this big cube into smaller cubes, and the length of, or you can say the side of small cube is 2 centimeter. Okay, means we have to cut this into smaller cubes. We have to cut this, and the length of that small each small cube will be 2 centimeter, or you can say side means all length, breadth and height, so that will be 2 centimeter. So how we will decide how many cut we have to put here? So the length of the big cube will be divided by the length of the small cube, or you can say the side of a big cube will be divided by the side of the small cube. So here will be 3 means we have to make here 3 cubes. From this length we have to make 3 cubes. 3 cubes means we have to put 2 cuts only, like this. Yes, like this. So let's put the cuts here. This is a 3D object in which 3 sides are hidden to us and 3 are visible. Okay, so in the cubes some we have to do also imagination. Okay, because that sides that are not visible to us, for that we have to imagine. Okay, so first cut this. Now here also this and it will come here like this. Okay, so this is our big cube that we cut into small cubes. So this is our front, this is top, and you can say this is an side view of our cube. So we have cutted this. Now we have to give some answers related to this cube. Suppose this is colored. We colored this. Okay, this is red. These all are red, and these all are red. Means we colored this cube completely. This is completely colored with red color. Okay, so this completely is red color, but inside is not color. Only we can color outside area, we cannot color inner area. Okay, so here suppose this is your, okay, we will understand from this small cube. Okay, here is one small cube I am having. Okay, this is the cube. Suppose this is colored completely with one color. Okay, all are black, you can say. Okay, now we have to tell here how many small cubes are there that having three colored surfaces, that having 3 colored sides. Okay, so at the corner, this is your corner point. this is orange, this is yellow, and this is green. So but we colored that into in one color. So the red we have taken. So suppose these all are red. So 1, 2, 3. Only the three colored sides are here. Okay, at the corner point. Here is 2. Here is also 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we can say the corners points having three colored. Corner points having three color. How many corners are there in a cube? In a cube there is total 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we can say the name of this cube is corner cube. That's having 3 colored side. And this is also corner. One side is this, one is this, and one is bottom side. That is also colored. We have to imagine that there is bottom also. Okay, like this, like this. So bottom is also colored. Okay. Now this is also colored. One side is visible to us, and that side and the bottom side both are hidden. This is also corner. This is also corner cube. Here is corner cube, corner cube, corner cube, and one. This complete is one cube, and the corner only these three are visible to us. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay. So these three are hidden. 1, 2, and 3. So here is some corners. This one three colored cube is completely hidden. Okay. So now we will write here this corners cube. Number of corner cubes 8. Number of corner cubes 8. Okay. In all the cubes it will not depend on the size of a cube. Always the 3 colored cube and corner cubes will be 8. So number of corner cubes, or you can say having 3 color. Having 3 color. Okay. That is 8. Now this cube having 2 color. This cube having 2 color. Here is this. One color is there, one is there. 2 sides are hidden and 2 are colored. 2 are hidden and 2 are colored. So we will give the name to these cubes. These are the middle cubes. These are the middle cubes. Okay. Middle cubes. This is also that. So this, here this, and this one. This is also middle. So these are the middle cubes, and middle cubes always having 2 colors. Middle cubes having always 2 colors. So this is our middle cube, and it's having 2 color here and here. Okay. So when we will take this piece or this small cube from this big cube, it would have 2 colors. It would have 2 colors. So number of middle cubes, or you can say number of middle cubes or having 2 colors cube. That's having 2 colors only. Okay. So in this we can count because this is very small. Okay. But when we are having a big cube, we are not able to count. Okay. So there is some formulas related to cube. We will just put our value in the formula and we will find and we will get our answer. Okay. So now there is one on this side we have given name to all except this one. So this is our central cube. This is our central cube. So now central cube is having only one color because this is at the center. Okay. So only this side is colored. Remaining 3 are hidden to us and that are not colored. So number of central cubes, and we can say having only one color. Having only one color. Okay. Now the next is when we will cut this big cube. So there is some cubes that is hidden inside, and that are colorless, okay. So that name of that cubes is inner central, okay. So now number of inner central cubes, okay, or we can say colorless, that's having no color, okay. So we have to and one more thing that we must know here, number of cubes, total number of cubes. We can add this, yes, but we will not add this, we will not add all this, we will give answer directly. So for the fifth one, we have to find out number of, you can say total number of cubes, okay. Now we will do the formulas for this. We will do here formula for this. First we will start with the number of cubes. Number of inner central cubes means number of cubes that having no color, or we can say colorless, okay, that having no color. So the number of cubes that having no color, or you can say colorless, you can write here n minus 2 whole cube, n minus 2 whole cube. Number of central cube having only one color, here that is having only one color. So here is 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that having only one color. So formula for this will be 6 into n minus 2 whole square, okay, 6 into n minus 2 whole square. Now number of middle cubes, middle means that is having only two colors. So formula for that is 12 into n minus 2, 12 into n minus 2, okay. Now number of corner cubes, or we can say number of cubes that having only 3 colors, so that is always fixed, that is 8, total number of cubes, we can add this but we will not do that, yes. So number of total number of cubes will be n cube. Now you are thinking, what is this n? How we know what is the value of n? So n is length of big cube and the length of small cube. Means we will divide the length of big cube by the length of small cube. See, like here 6, length of the big cube is 6, we divide that by the length of small cube, that is 2. So what is n? N is here 3. N is here 3. Now we will find out the answers. Let's put our value. Total number of cubes, n cube. What is n? 3 cube. So it will be 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Yes, there is total 27 cubes. Let's count. 1 2 3 3 and 3 3 9. 9 in this, 9 in this and 9 in this. So 9 3s are 27. That means total number of cubes is equal to 27. Next, number of corner cubes. Corner means that's having 3 color. So what is formula for that? There is no formula for that. Directly that will be 8. That will be 8 always. Okay. Number of middle cubes. Middle means that's having 2 colors. That having 2 color only. So formula for that 12 n minus 2. What is our n? N is 3. So 3 minus 2 is, that means here will be 12 into 1, 12. 12. Okay, so let's count. I'm having this cube that's having two color. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here. Okay, now 4 here. 4, 4, 4, 4, 8. In this is also having two color. Okay, so 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11, 12, and our answer is also 12. Okay, so now number of central cubes. Central cubes means that's having only one color. Here we know only 6, because 6 surfaces are there. It will be cancelled, all will be cancels, and only center will be. So there is 6. Let's check this also. 6, n is 3 minus 2 whole square. So 6 into, here will be 1 and 1 square will be 1. So what is our answer? 6. What is our answer? 6. Yes. Now next is number of inner central cubes, means that are not visible to us, that are hidden, and that are colorless, or we can say having no color. So n minus 2 whole cube. What is n? N is 3 minus 2 whole cube. That means here will be 1 cube. That means 1. So our answer is 1. When you will cut this and when you will open this all will go one side, this all will go one side, and from this row, this all will go in the center. There will be only one cube that having no color. Okay, so now we will do some problem. Hello students, here one statement is given related to cube and some questions are asked, so we will do one by one. Okay, I have written that formulas here, means the number of cubes that having no color, color faces, that is formula for that n minus 2 whole cube, and that are having only one color cubes, one color face, that is 6 into n minus 2 whole square, and the number of cubes that having only two colors, that are 12 into n minus 2, number of cubes that having 3 colors, that is 8, always fixed, and the total number of cubes is equal to n cube. So the statement is a solid cube of each side 8 centimeter have been painted. Okay, means the length of the big cube is 8 centimeter, painted red, blue, black on pairs of opposite faces. Means we have colored that cube opposite faces with these colors. Means two opposite will be red, two opposite blue, and two opposite black. Okay, now it is then cut into cubical blocks of each side 2 centimeter, and the length of small is 2 centimeter. So first of all, what we have to find out, what is n? Okay, so our n will be length of the big one divided by the length of the small cube. So that is 8 upon 2, that means 4. So here we need a cube 4 into 4. So I'm drawing small one, there is no space. Okay, so this is our big cube, and I cut it that into 4 into 4. 4 cubes, small cube are there, 4 there, and in the height also 4. So now our n is 4, we know that. So first question is, and here is, this is, if this is red, so bottom will also be red. If this is blue, so back side will also be blue, because opposites, and this is black. I'm writing here BK, black. Okay, so first question is how many cubes have no face painted? No face painted. So no face painted means there is no effect on this of the colors. No face painted. So our formula will be same. So what is the formula for colorless cubes? That are the inner cubes, inner central cubes. So that having means zero colors or colorless, that is n minus 2 whole cube. So here will be n minus 2 whole cube. What is our n? N is 4. N is 4. So here will be 4 minus 2, 2. This 2 3s are 2 cube will be 8. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So answer for the first one is 8. Means there is 8 cubes. There is 8 cubes that having no color faces. How many cubes have only one face painted? One face painted. They are not talking about any color. Means one face painted with red, one face painted with black and with blue. They are not talking about color. So here will also our formula will be same. Means they just want to know about the only one face painted. So formula for the one face painted is, there is written, that is 6 into n minus 2 square. Yes, one face painted 6 into n minus 2 square. Okay, so find out the answer. 6 into n minus 2. N minus 2, that is 4 minus 2 will be 2, and square of 2, that means 2 into 2. So what it will be here? 6 into 4. So that will be 24. Answer is 24 here. Okay. Now third one, how many cubes have two face painted? Here they are also not talking about the particular color. They are just want to know how many cubes are there that having two face painted. And the formula for the two face painted is 12 into n minus 2. So here will be 12 into n minus 2. 12 into n minus 2 is our, means 4 minus 2, that will be 2. So answer is also 24. Okay, answer is 24. Why 24? No need, you can check this by your own at home. Okay. Now, how many cubes have three face painted? Three face painted. Here also they are not talking about any particular color. They want to just know about the three face painted. That is always fixed. That is always fixed. So that will be always 8. Yes, that will be always 8. Now, how many cubes have face painted with different colors? How many cubes have face painted with different colors? I think here is 3 face. Okay. So now, how many cubes have 3 face painted with different colors? Means opposites are having the same color. So red and red, and corners, at the corners there will be no opposite. Suppose we are talking about this corner. Here is red, here is orange, here is yellow, here is yellow. So these corners will have always 3 different colors. 3 different colors. So answer will be here also answer same. How many cubes having 3 face painted with different color? Painted with different color. Suppose according to our cube, that is red. Okay, and here will be black, and here will be blue. Okay, so this will be the 3. Here will be at the corners there will be 3 different color, and always the 3 colors at the corners points, and that is always fixed. So this is also 8. This is also 8. Next question is, how many cubes have 2 face painted red, black, and all other unpainted? All other unpainted. How many cubes have 2 face painted red and black? We are here talking about only red and black. Means this red and this black. Okay. This is red, this is black. The side that is on that side, that will be also black, and bottom will be red. So we will just forget these this side and that one. Okay, so इन दोनों को भूल जाइए और we have to just remember 4. And they are asking here how many cubes have two face painted. Two face painted means here will be the two face painted. Yes. Okay, red and black. Okay, red and black. On that side also the combination of the red and black. All other unpainted. All other unpainted. In the two face painted, all other are always colorless because that is hidden. Yes. So here is, if I am talking about this top view, अगर मैं top की बात करती हूँ यहाँ पे, so how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. ये 4 ऐसे हैं that is having only red and black. Okay, 4 here and 4 at the bottom. 4 at the bottom. This is having black, but on the back side this is having blue. So we will not consider that. Okay, we will not consider that. 4 will be here and 4 will be at the bottom layer. So here will be 8. Here will be 8. So how many cubes have two face painted red and black? All other unpainted. Answer will be 8. Answer will be 8. Now, how many cubes have only one face painted red? One face painted red. Listen to me. One face painted. Here two sides are red. Only two sides are red. This is red and this is also red. So only two sides are red. Okay. But the size of our cube is 4 into 4 into 4. Yes. So we have to tell only one color, and one color is at the center. So here will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on this side and 4 on the opposite side. Some imagination we have to do. So this is our red. So at the top layer, 4 in the center. These having only red color. Okay. So similarly 4 will be at the bottom. So here will also our answer is 8. Okay. Now how many cubes have two faces painted black? Means two face होने चाहिए colored and only with black color. It is not possible. It is not possible because this is black color, this is black color, and another black color is on that side. Not here, not there. So only one face with black color is possible. But the cubes with two faces and that should be black, it is not possible. How many cubes have two faces painted black? 0. Answer is 0. Okay. Answer is 0 because here opposite faces are black. Okay. Now how many cubes are there in all total? So that will be n cube. What is our n? 4. So 4 into 4 into 4. That means 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So total cubes will be 64. Okay. I hope you understand. You have to do similar problem and also the different problems. Okay. Don't get confused. Use some imagination and use